know, it's still a complicated time for traveling, but hey, you can start planning your next trip. So if you're dreaming about visiting United States, but you're not sure which places to go, then you're watching the right video. Intro. And welcome to What If You Travel. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 things that I love about the city I'm currently living in and make you too fall in love with it. This is... oh yeah! Boston.
Going through my head like a jet plane, going with the lights on, turns out it started with a fight tonight.
First of all, the perfect balance between old and new. Come with me. Boston was founded in 1630 by the Puritans coming from England, which makes it one of the oldest cities of the United States. But what I find impressive is that I can enjoy the view of those skyscrapers while admiring historical buildings like this, and this one. Number 2. Boston is the third most walkable large city in the US. I love this urban environment, but if you're not used to a big city or if it's your first time visiting one, do not let this giant scare you. Boston is not that big as you might think, especially if we compare it to New York. Exploring Boston is so simple. Any place you want to visit is within walking distance, so put on your comfy shoes and enjoy your walk. And if you want to visit other areas outside of downtown district, well, you can take the T. I mean, that T. The third thing that I admire is definitely public transport. Depending on the country where you come from, what I'm about to say, it might sound completely normal or absolutely crazy. I have never seen such an efficient public transport system. The subway, or the train as it's called here, is so reliable, always on time, and you can even track it from the app. And there are only 4 lines. The green, the blue, red line, and orange line. With the Atlantic Ocean as its front door and the farms of New England so close, here you can satisfy any wish you want when talking about, food. Just to mention a few, seafood is a delicacy, lobsters are the best, and there's a typical local dish that I surprisingly find very tasty. This is going to be delicious! Thank you!
Thank you so much and good luck!
Boston clam chowder, or chowder, like they say here. Clams, butter, potatoes, and cream. Oh my goodness, you gotta try it. So good. But the best part is that here you can find real authentic food from any part of the world. In Chinatown, you can have the best Asian food ever. here in North End, also known as Boston Little Italy, you can taste the finest Italian dishes, gelatos, and of course for coffee lovers, the best espresso. And you don't want to miss the Latin American food. East Boston is the perfect place for you if you want to try the exquisite flavor of Central and Southern American cuisine. But all this wouldn't be possible without people. They give this city the amazing multicultural vibes that you can feel and see. Walking here looks like you're going on a journey around the world. Here, you will never feel like a stranger. Here, you feel free. Free to speak the language you want. Free to express yourself.
Jesus on his path.
So let's bring the troops home. What are they doing over there?
Free to do what you love. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about Boston and my next adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.